What makes a digital contract legally invalid? Imagine clicking, "I agree" on a digital contract and wondering if it's truly binding. Many people don't realize that digital agreements can be invalid if certain key elements are missing or not followed. Let's explore what can make a digital contract not hold up in court. First, mutual consent is essential. Both parties must clearly agree to the contract terms. If someone clicked, "I agree," without understanding or truly accepting the terms, the contract might be invalid. Consent needs to be verifiable through a proper electronic signature or acknowledgement. Next is consideration. Just like with paper contracts, digital ones requiring an exchange of value. If one side promises something but no value is exchanged or promised, the agreement isn't enforceable. For example, if someone offers to sell a product but there's no payment or promise involved, the contract could be invalid. Clarity is also important. The terms of the contract must be clear and specific. Vague language or missing details about what each party is supposed to do can make the contract unenforceable. For instance, if a digital contract states, "Deliver goods soon," without defining what soon means, it might not be valid. A proper electronic signature is a must. If the signature is missing, not unique, or cannot be verified, the contract could be invalid. For example, if a signature is just a generic image or can be easily forged, courts may not recognize it as valid. The signature must demonstrate the signer's intent and be under their control. Legal compliance is another factor. Digital contracts must follow laws like the Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce Act and the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act. If a contract violates these laws, such as trying to sign a document that is legally excluded from electronic signatures, it might be invalid. Any changes made after signing can also cause issues. If someone alters the contract without proper reauthorization, the original signature may no longer be valid. For example, changing the price or delivery date after signing without agreement can invalidate the contract. Certain contracts are not allowed to be signed electronically. Wills, court documents, and some family law agreements often requiring traditional signatures. Using a digital contract in these cases might make it invalid. Security is key. Weak security measures or poor authentication can lead to disputes. If a contract or signature can be easily tampered with or forged, the contract's validity is at risk. Finally, both parties must agree to use electronic means for the contract. If one party did not consent to electronic transactions, the contract might not be enforceable under electronic signature laws. To avoid these problems, always make sure both sides explicitly agree to the terms and the electronic signing process. Use reliable digital signature tools that provide secure and unique signatures. Keep records of all communications and the signing process. Confirm that the contract type is eligible for electronic signing under the law. And never alter a signed contract without proper reauthorization. By paying attention to these details, you can help ensure your digital contracts are valid and enforceable, saving you from potential legal headaches down the line.